Opening shot. Energetic background music playing. Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the right purchasing decisions. Today, we're putting two Samsung heavyweights in the ring. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, let's call it S20 FE, and the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G, aka A15. It's gonna be a showdown of epic proportions, so grab your popcorn and let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the price. The S20 FE comes in at a cool $169, while the A15 is slightly cheaper at $158. Reviewers frequently mention that both phones provide excellent value for their price points. However, the S20 FE is often praised for its performance and quality, making it a solid investment for those willing to spend a little more. Moving on to the displays. The S20 FE boasts a 6.5-inch FHD plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity O display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's like looking into the eyes of an angel. If angels had 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution and HDR10+ support. Reviewers love the crisp and vibrant display of the S20 FE. The A15 isn't far behind with its 6.5-inch Super AMOLED screen at 1080 by 2340 resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate. It's like looking into the eyes of an angel who's maybe had one too many Red Bulls. Users appreciate the A15's display for its brightness and color accuracy, though it doesn't quite match the S20 FE's higher refresh rate. Time for some performance talk. The S20 FE is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 with 6 GB of RAM. It's like having a high-speed race car in your pocket. Reviewers note the significant performance leap, especially those upgrading from older models. The A15, on the other hand, runs on a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus with the same 6 GB of RAM. It's more like a reliable family sedan. Users find it fast and capable for everyday tasks, though it doesn't quite reach the high-speed performance of the S20 FE. Let's talk about those cameras. The S20 FE has a triple rear camera setup. 12 megapixels wide, 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and 8 megapixels telephoto, plus a 32 megapixels front camera. It's like having a whole photography studio in your hand. Reviewers are impressed with its camera versatility and quality. The A15 is no slouch either, sporting a 50 megapixels main, 5 megapixels ultra-wide, and 2 megapixels depth sensor, with a 13 megapixels front camera. It's like having a slightly smaller photography studio in your hand. Users appreciate the high megapixel count, especially for detailed shots, though some feel the additional cameras on the S20 FE offer more flexibility. Battery life. The S20 FE packs a 4,500 mAh battery. It's like having an energy drink on standby. Reviewers highlight its solid battery performance, especially for a renewed device. The A15 ups the game with a 5,000 mAh battery. That's like having TWO energy drinks on standby, but beware of the crash. Users love the extended battery life, making it ideal for long days without a charge. Let's quickly touch on other features. The S20 FE is water and dust resistant with an IP68 rating. It's like the Bear Grylls of phones. Reviewers appreciate this added durability. The A15, however, comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and is running the latest Android 14. It's like the tech-savvy cousin who's always ahead of the curve. Users find these features convenient and up-to-date, though some mention issues with the charger that comes with the phone. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G receives high praise for its performance, display, and durability, making it a worthwhile investment. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is appreciated for its affordability, high-resolution camera, and extended battery life, though some users have noted issues with the charger and network compatibility. So there you have it, folks. The S20 FE and the A15 both have their strengths and quirks. If you're looking for a pocket race car with a high refresh rate display and water resistance, the S20 FE is your buddy. But if you want a megapixel beast with a massive battery and the latest software, the A15 might just be your new best friend. Remember, smart shoppers, the best phone is the one that fits your needs and budget. So, hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more epic showdowns, and let us know in the comments which phone you think wins this battle. Ending shot. Energetic background music resumes with the Buy Smart logo displayed. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping. Links to both products are in the description.